Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out an outlet. I was visiting my friend in a condo and I had to swap out all of the outlets. The major problem was the backstabbing in the outlet or the speed wiring into the outlets. It was such a mess. So let's get into the video. This is Jay's how-to channel and I'm Jay.
First, let's turn off the breaker. This outlet is 25 years old. It's a cheap outlet and it won't hold the plug in. I'm removing the faceplate. Now I'm removing the screws and then I'm pulling the outlet out of the wall. The wire will have a problem when you press it into the back of the outlet. If you run a room heater or a windowsill air conditioner, the outlet will fail. This will affect all of the outlets in the room. Let's strip this paint off of the ground wire and then make a hook on the end. Yeah, you'll need to make a hook in the wire with a pair of wire strippers. These wire strippers are designed for the width of the screw so that you could make a proper hook. Make sure you strip the wires back a ½ inch, then make a hook and have it go clockwise. Black to brass, white to bright, and green to ground. I'm using a Robinson bit here. It's a square bit and tightening down all the brass screws. You could use a Phillips tip screwdriver. Okay, all that I ask is that you hit the thumbs up button right below or leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the video. It really does help the video to spread out to other people and hopefully be able to help them out as well. I really appreciate it. Let's get back to the video. Connect the white wire or the neutral wire to the silver screws. Make sure you get it to the clockwise position and tighten it down. Now folding these wires back and forth into the box. Now coming in with a Phillips bit screwdriver and tightening this down. I'll speed this up for all of you. And now for the wall plate. These walls were freshly painted and they replaced all of the wall plates in the condo. And now turning the breaker back on. Let's test this outlet. Make sure you get the correct wiring, the 2 outside lights. This was a short 4-minute video. Really appreciate everyone.